Alright, so you gotta check out this AllPowers. This is 700 watt power station. It's sitting right here. The big thing about this is I'm in my garden right now. I'm actually rebuilding my greenhouse because I only got taken out during a storm, and let me tell you what, I need the power because I have my laptop sitting over here. I have my phone charging, I have everything that I really need, but I need the plans. My laptop's high powered and the battery does not last at all, and neither does my phone. So I've got this powering it, but it's 1400 watts starting, 700 watts running. This is a 140 watt solar panel, and it actually has pass-through charging as well. It has so many DC connections, which is charging your phone, you know, the USB-C, the USB-A, and it's super high powered, and it has two AC outlets, which is 120 volts. That's going to power my laptop. I have everything I possibly need, but I'm on the job site and I'm able to use it. The solar panel actually has its own DC connections too, so you can charge your phone, stuff like that. But anyways, for this charger, I've actually used it for a few other things, and some of those few other things are actually putting a pump down. Actually, check this out. So you can see that whenever I used it to pull the water out of the hole, out of my well, then I was able to water everything, and everything is flourishing because we're able to get that down. Now that was a very high-powered pump that we're able to use, the sump pump, and it was able to do it just fine. It's not just for power outages, which everyone thinks that it is, but during a power outage, it actually does run pellet stoves. It's going to run your refrigerator and things like that. I have a super reliable power company, so we don't lose power a lot, but when we do, I've got something to rely on. The battery's going to stay charged, and I don't think I'm really going to have any issues, but for me, I would say that live free and tool on, this is approved. It's a really good alternative for your power source if you don't have battery power. So jump down below, check it out for yourself. I think you're going to find it's going to work for you. The price is really good too, but I just got to say, I'm super happy about everything about it. It's robust, it has everything you need. And outside with even high winds, you know, and you have no power, you got what you need. Let me know what you think. Check out the link down below. I'm going to talk to you later. My name is Brent. Get out there, go build something, make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, take those solutions, and pass them on to the next generation. And I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Take care.